Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the station and powering the grinder. This saves time and prevents mistakes. Plug in the machine and confirm the hopper is seated. Make sure the chamber is empty so dosing is accurate. Weigh 18 g of whole beans for a single brew. If you prefer stronger coffee, increase by 20%. Once done, place a catch bowl under the chute and set grind size to a medium setting. This gives a baseline you can refine. You now adjust the grind size and run short test pulses to evaluate consistency. This is where most variables get solved. Turn the dial toward finer or coarser depending on your brew method, then grind a 3-5 second dose into the catch bowl and inspect the particles. If you see too many fines or large chunks, tweak the setting and try 2 more doses. Compare by feel and appearance. Make sure to record the setting so you can reproduce it later. You finish by locking the chosen grind setting and grinding the full dose into your filter or portafilter. Distribute grounds evenly for uniform extraction. Afterwards, unplug and wipe the hopper and chute. Freshness depends on clean equipment. If you encounter clumping, irregular particles, or odd noises, check burr alignment and tightness, inspect the motor for unusual sound, and consider drier beans. These steps usually fix inconsistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.